By setting up advanced user permissions, you get even more control over what you and your employees can see and do in your store. You can easily customize your cashier and manager roles so they align with your store processes. You can choose which staff roles are able to perform discounts, returns, laybys, inventory counts, and much more, all while keeping your most sensitive information, like product supply prices, hidden and secure. Even better, you only need to set up cashier and manager roles once. Each time a new employee comes on board, you can assign them the relevant role and they'll have the same permissions as all other staff at their level. This keeps your workflows secure and reduces the risk of human error, loss, or theft. If you're on an advanced or multi-outlet plan, you can start setting up roles with advanced user permissions straight away. Simply head to the Users page where you'll see the new Roles tab. Here, while using an admin account, you can set up your cashier or manager user roles to align with your store's operations. When it's time to set up a new user, just assign them the relevant role here. You can also choose which outlets you'd like them to be assigned to, whether that's one, many, or all of them. Now, let's go through some examples of how you can set up in the cashier and manager roles in your store. We're going to edit the permissions for our cashiers in store. Here, you'll see a range of customizable permissions that control the actions your cashiers can perform. First, we'll turn off Apply Discounts for cashiers. We'll also turn off the ability to process on-account and lay-by sales, and returns and exchanges. Now let's see what happens when a cashier is performing a sale in your store. If a cashier tries to perform a discount or a return, they are now unable to do so. This action now needs to be performed by a manager instead. While completing the sale, we can see that the functionality to perform an on-account sale or a lay-by is now removed as well. Although it's common practice for cashiers to perform inventory counts and to view certain reports in this store, we do not want them to be able to see the cost of goods and the supply cost of products. If we go back to the Roles tab, we can turn off the cashier's ability to view product costs. Cashiers can no longer view product costs anywhere in your store, including on register closures, inventory count discrepancy totals, and on stock reports. When a cashier is ringing through a sale, they cannot see product costs when viewing the product information, and they can also no longer view your product costs on reports. It's also easy to customize stock control permissions for cashiers and managers in line with your store's operations. We'll now go back to the Roles tab. We want our managers to be able to perform inventory counts, but not stock orders. We'll click on the settings for the manager role and scroll down to Products. We'll select On for inventory counts and Off for stock orders. Now, when we go back to the stock control page, we'll see that managers can still perform inventory counts, but the stock ordering functions are removed. Setting up advanced user permissions is a great way to keep your workflows secure and ensure things run smoothly in your stores. These examples are just some of the ways you can customize cashier and manager roles to suit your unique business processes. If you don't have access to advanced user permissions, simply upgrade to an advanced or multi-outlet plan on the account page to get started.